This question is to prove that e to the power of x plus iy equals e to the power of x times cosine y plus I times e to the power of x times sine y. So first, we know the left part, e to the power of x plus iy can be written as e to the power of x times e to the power of iy. So we only need to prove that e to the power of x times e to the power of iy equals the right part of the equation in the question. And we also notice that the left part and the right part, e to the power of x, can be cancelled. So we only need to prove that e to the power of iy equals cosine y plus I times sine y. So here you can just refer to my previous video showing the step-by-step illustration about how to prove this equation, e to the power of ix equals cosine x plus I times sine x. Hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions.